Choosing the right clad replacement windows can elevate your home with elegance and functionality. If you're deciding between Marvin Ultimate and ProVia Aeris windows, stay tuned because in this video we're going to break down their differences in cost, material, design, and warranty. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're going to help you choose between Marvin Ultimate and ProVia Aeris windows by comparing their cost, materials, design options, and warranties. Let's dive in to see which window is the best fit for your home. First off, as always, let's talk about cost. On average, high-quality clad windows cost around $1,700 installed for a standard 3x5 window. In comparison, Marvin Ultimate windows range from $2,000 to $3,500, while ProVia Aeris windows cost between $2,300 and $2,500. While both are premium options, customizations can affect the final price. Keep in mind that the more unique designs and features will increase your project cost. Next, let's look at materials and performance. Marvin Ultimate windows feature a real wood frame with either aluminum or wood exterior cladding. The aluminum cladding offers superior protection from elements like rain, wind, and sun, and requires minimal maintenance. The wood exterior, though beautiful and traditional, needs more upkeep to prevent rot and water damage. ProVia Aeris windows have a real wood frame with a vinyl exterior cladding. This high-quality vinyl is durable and flexible, resisting warping and weathering. Vinyl's maintenance-free nature means you won't have to worry about fading or corrosion over time. In terms of performance, both windows excel in protecting your home from the elements, but Marvin's aluminum cladding provides an edge in durability. Now let's explore the design capabilities for each window line. Marvin Ultimate Window offers 6 configurations with custom-shaped picture windows, 8 interior wood options, 7 stain options, and 3 painted finishes. They also provide 19 exterior finishes for aluminum cladding and 4 for wood. Now, ProVia Aeris windows also offers 6 standard configurations and 11 picture window shapes. They have 3 wood species for frames, up to 7 staining options, over 15 paint options, and 16 exterior finishes. For hardware, Marvin has more choices with 9 finish options, while ProVia offers 7. Both brands provide excellent glass and grid options, allowing you to customize your windows to reflect your personal style. Finally, let's discuss longevity and warranty. Marvin offers a limited, fully transferable warranty. Aluminum cladding is covered for 10 years against chalking, fading, and peeling, and wood finishes for 5. ProVia's lifetime warranty covers material defects for as long as you own your home and is transferable once. Frame and hardware are covered for life with paint and stains for 10 years. Both warranties indicate high-quality craftsmanship, but ProVia's longer coverage for some elements might offer more peace of mind. Choosing between Marvin Ultimate and ProVia Aeris windows depends on your needs and budget. Marvin Ultimate offers more customization and durability with its aluminum cladding, while ProVia Aeris provides a more budget-friendly option with excellent performance and a comprehensive warranty. At Southwest Exteriors, we offer both window lines to meet your unique needs. Visit our website or contact us today with the link down and below in the description to get a free consultation to find out which window is the perfect one for your home. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.